Very good evening once again. I am going to discuss with you the spectral lines of hydrogen atom. If you see, there I have written the different spectral lines in the spectrum of hydrogen atom. We are discussing emission spectrum of hydrogen atom, and we will see here that how Bohr has helped us to explain about the spectrum of hydrogen atom. So if you see here, I have written the name of some series: Lehman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Pfund, right? These series are named on their discoverers, means who discovered them, the names are like them, okay? If you talk about the electromagnetic spectrum, then in electromagnetic spectrum there is UV region, visible region, IR region. Now we have to see when hydrogen atom with one electron will absorb light and then will emit light, then will create few lines over the photographic plate, okay? Then what will be the number of lines, what we call to those lines, means we have given, scientists have studied about those lines and they have given then the names to those lines which are found in the hydrogen spectrum. And here the Lehman series, which is falling in the UV region, you can also look at it, it is falling in the UV region of electromagnetic spectrum, that is ultraviolet region. And here n is equal to 1, you can see here, there n is equal to 1, this is ground state, means if all the lines from 2, 3, 4, 5 you are having here ground state, next level n is equal to 2, next level n is equal to 3, next level n is equal to 4, next level n is equal to 5. If all the lines will fall from 5, 4, 3, 2 to 1, means all the lines will fall over 1, n is equal to 1, it means those all lines are falling in the UV region and those will be named as Lehman series, okay? So you know now for Lehman series, it is falling in UV region and N1 value will be 1 always and N2 can be further raised 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, when you talk about Balmer series, then in case of Balmer series, you will see here all the lines, means light is emitted by the hydrogen, will fall on the photographic plate. Then we will find in the electromagnetic spectrum that where these light rays are falling. If all the lines fall over Balmer visible region, in the visible region, means n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, all lines from 3, 4, 5, 6, from 3, 4, 5, so on, will fall on N2 here, N2, it means it is Balmer series and it is falling in the region, visible region. Understand? You need to learn it. After that, there is Paschen series. All the lines will fall over n is equal to 3. Means here. Means I am talking about this Paschen series. It is falling in the IR region. If you are given Paschen series, you will understand N1 value for Paschen series is 3 and N2 value will be more than 3. It means 4, 5, 6, 7. Same way Brackett series. It is also falling in the IR region, and if all the lines will fall over n is equal to 4 energy level, it means it is related to Brackett series and it is falling in the IR region. Same way Pfund, once again in the IR region, in which N1 is equal to 5 and N2 is 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I think now it is clear to you. Even this concept help us to now calculate the number of lines which are falling in the hydrogen spectrum. Let's see how can we calculate. If I just look at it, if one line is falling from 5 to 4, then from 4 to 3, right? I'm just writing it again. You will say the line is going from 5 to 4. If you look at there, then from 5 to 3, then from 5 to 2, then from 5 to 1, okay? Then 4 to 3, 4 to 2, 4 to 1. Then 3 to 2, 3 to 1. Then 2 to 1. So how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means total lines. If the line from the N5 are falling over 1, then the total number of lines will be 10 in number. You can count in this way also. Otherwise, you can go here with one formula, and that formula is N2 minus N1, N2 minus N1 plus 1 upon 2. For example, if you talk about the Lehman series, fine, when an electron drops from 5th level, means N2 is 5th level. I am talking about here Lehman series, where N2 is 5th level, and it will go to the ground state. I am talking about from N5 to N1 is equal to 1. So put the value here, you will get the number 10. How? I can put here the value for you. 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So it will come out to be 4. It is, if cancelled, then multiplied by 5 upon 2. So 20 upon 2 will come out to be 10 number of lines. Okay, so you can even count down if you know that it's Lehman series, and you know very well in case of Lehman series, the ground level is always n is equal to 1, and you will be given that from which level the lines are falling on N1. Then you can easily calculate by using directly this formula. Okay, thank you so much. In the next part, I will discuss with you the next part for it, and some formulas to solve the numerical problems. Thank you.